In this video, we'll be going over a Truesight calibration on an AFS Pro 700 display. To start, when our display boots up, we want to go ahead and press the back button. Then we want to go to our virtual terminal. And then once here, we'll go to our Cal tab. And we'll go ahead and do our steer angle cal. So now it's asking us to steer all the way to the right. So we'll go ahead and turn the wheel all the way to the right. And once that's done, we'll go ahead and hit next. Then we can do our center bump calibration. And what the center bump calibration is, allows the centering the bump setting, so sprayer runs down the center of the row at 0 bump. This calibration does not change system operation, it just adjusts the center reference the operator sees. And so to use that, we will go ahead and go back to the home tab, and we can adjust our bump either to the left or to the right. And once we have the bump that we want set, we'll go to calibrate, and we will hit reset center bump. And then once we go back to the home screen, you can see it zeroed itself out again. So now we will go ahead and do our auto dead zone calibration. We'll go ahead and press next through a couple of these. Now it's going to ask us to center the wheels and to begin moving forward at 1 mile an hour. So we'll go ahead and center the wheel and we'll start moving forward. So we're at 1 mile an hour, so then we'll hit next. Now it wants us to steer completely right. So we'll go ahead and steer completely right. And now it wants us to steer completely left. And once we steer completely to the left, once we go back to the display, you can see it says calibration complete. So then we'll hit finish. Now we can do our auto engage height. To calibrate your auto engage height, what you want to do is you want to lower the head to the height which you want the system to engage below. So once the system reaches that height, if you're going down, it will engage. If you come up above that height, the system will disengage. So how to calibrate that is we just set the head down to our desired height, and then we press start auto cal. And to learn your wheel center for the next calibration, you just want to center your wheels. Make sure your wheels are centered, and you'll hit learn wheels straight, and it'll reset your new learned value. And that is how you calibrate a head sight system on an AFS Pro 700 display.